In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your download folder on Steam. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Steam, and this is how it looks on the store page. Then you want to go to the top left corner and hit Steam. Then you want to go over to settings, head over to settings and hit this. And now the settings tab is going to open over here. And now you want to go to downloads over here, and then you can see the content libraries, the Steam library folders. You can hit this, and as you can see, this is the default download folder. You can change this. So for example, I have another one over here. I can make this default by hit make default, but if I want to, I can also hit add library folder. So you can hit new folder and then name it the game you want to install. So for example, Fall Guys. Just type it like this, okay, and then you can select it. And when you go over to the game Fall Guys to install it, you can change the location to the folder you just made, and then it's going to install on that map. But if you just want to make this one default, just hit this and then hit make default. I'm not going to make it default because this one is fine for me, but if you want to do it, just hit right mouse button and then hit make default folder. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.